Work at height refers to any work carried out at a place where a person could fall a distance liable to cause personal injury. This includes working above ground floor level, where there is a risk of falling from an edge, through an opening, or through a fragile surface. Common hazards of working at height. 1. Falls from height. Falling from ladders, scaffolds, roofs, or elevated platforms. Falling through fragile surfaces such as skylights or brittle roofs. 2. Falling objects. Tools, equipment, or materials falling and striking workers below. 3. Slips, trips, and falls. Slippery, uneven, or unstable surfaces at height. Tripping over equipment or materials. 4. Structural failures. Collapse of scaffolding, ladders, or other access equipment. Failure of anchorage points or fall protection systems. 5. Environmental conditions. Adverse weather such as high winds, rain, or ice increasing the risk of falls. Poor lighting affecting visibility. 6. Inadequate training. Workers not properly trained in using fall protection equipment or working at height safely. Are control measures for working at height. 1. Avoid work at height. Where possible, avoid the need to work at height by using extendable tools or automation. 2. Risk assessment. Conduct thorough risk assessments to identify and evaluate hazards associated with the task. 3. Planning and organization. Plan work at height activities properly, including selecting appropriate equipment and ensuring a safe system of work. Ensure all work at height is supervised and carried out by competent workers. 4. Use of proper equipment. Select and use appropriate equipment such as scaffolds, mobile elevating work platforms, MEWPs, and ladders. Ensure all equipment is inspected and maintained regularly. 5. Fall prevention systems. Install guardrails, toe boards, and barriers at edges and openings to prevent falls. Use safety nets and soft landing systems where appropriate. 6. Personal fall protection. Use personal fall arrest systems, PFAS, such as harnesses, lanyards, and anchor points. Ensure workers are trained in the proper use, inspection, and maintenance of fall protection equipment. 7. Safe access and egress. Provide safe means of access to and egress from the work area. Ensure ladders and scaffolds are stable and securely positioned. 8. Environmental controls. Monitor weather conditions and postpone work during adverse weather. Ensure adequate lighting in the work area. 9. Training and competence. Provide comprehensive training to workers on the hazards of working at height and the use of safety equipment. Regularly refresh training and ensure workers are competent. 10. Emergency preparedness. Develop and communicate emergency rescue plans for workers who fall and are suspended by fall arrest systems. Ensure rescue equipment is available and workers are trained in rescue procedures. By implementing these control measures, the risks associated with working at height can be significantly reduced, ensuring the safety and well-being of workers.